There we go. Okay, so first of all, my firm belief is that the only way for food packaging to really go forward is for us to finally replace plastic. And the way we're going to do that is also to replace trees. We need a sustainable source of cellulose. I'm a Bast Fiber specialist, so I have to tell you what Bast Fibers are. Bast Fibers are my linen shirt. It is also hemp, and I really like the word pokshiva, even though I'm not very good at saying it because I'm American, nettle. And so my main business is mostly dealing with these Bast Fibers. And you might think, oh, Bast Fibers is a big deal. It is absolutely a big deal because Europe is the leader in Bast Fiber production. You produce so much Bast Fiber that you could cover the entire city of Berlin in Bast Fiber. And what's really cool is 1 hectare of Bast Fiber can make me 2 million spoons to sell to all the ice cream people. I'm Mike. I'm not from here. I'm from Ohio. I've been in Poland for 10 years. The production line that I've developed has processed over 65 tons of Bast Fibers and have yielded sales of 8 million zlotys plus. I'm a crazy, sustainable, eco-freak mechanic, and I love machines. And so, unfortunately, every year we cut down 4 billion trees for packaging, and we do 14 million tons of plastic just for food. And the thing is if meat touches it, it's not recyclable. And so here's my case of forestry to cellulose from Bast Fibers. You can see it's better. You get more CO2 sucked in per hectare. It's got more cellulose per ton. It's better. And so I'm going to introduce to you, this is a high-pressure, heated, dry pulp method of taking these celluloses in their hopefully more raw form than a completely bleached cellulose and smashing it into cool shapes like ice cream spoons, replacing this goddamn wooden fork that you cannot eat a salad with. I hate it. Maybe if we're going to work with our friends in the back who are doing some hemp burgers, we'll do their meat trays. And like I said, complicated. Our roadmap is we're working on pulping. We need to do the barrier. We need to do the letter of intent. And so what we need to work with Horeca distributors, and we need to work with ice cream people because the mold for the ice cream is very easy. What we're going to do is we're going to do a pilot program, and once the pilot program proves itself, because we can produce millions of spoons per month with a pilot program, then we will go into actually doing the R&D or furthering the R&D, doing the machines. Our competition is these greenwashed things that you see imported, and our business model is that we want to be right in between wood, paper, and the wooden spoons. And once we can start doing our own pulp in-house, then we can start doing more things like trays. This is my team. Conrad's doing money. Alex is our hemp specialist, and Navin is our pulp specialist. Thank you.